Hello guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of Android app development. Last time we saw the basic and minute things about the designing. I started with the scratch, how to insert the textures, buttons, change colors, backgrounds and all those features. In this video, we will talk about how to work with the linear layout. Last time I showed you how to enter or insert the widgets in your layout, but today first we will see how to work with the layout itself. So I will just remove this and keep it as in the original form. So by default, our layout is blank and the layout pattern is linear layout, and the orientation, since I have not mentioned orientation, by default it considers the orientation in the horizontal. Let's see. I will choose the button, say 50 dp, again 50 dp, and I will choose the text of the button by hey. Okay, let's keep it 70 dp. If I will copy this button and I will paste it again, it means I'm creating the another button with same width, same height and same text. Again another one, hey 1, hey 2, hey 3. What's happening? It's taking the layout in the horizontal direction, and once I'm entering the next button, it takes it in the right of the previous button. I created the third button and it is here in the right of the second button. In the same way, if I will create the fourth button, it will be in the right of, or we can say next to the third button. But if I will specify the orientation vertical, see how it changed. All the buttons are now in the vertical form, one above another, next to previous one, next to previous one, but in the in the vertical direction. Previously it was in the horizontal direction. One more thing that we can do is, after this, if I want the next button, say, or I can say I create a text view and I will choose its width by 100 dp and it's 50 dp, and I write some text here. Hello. Choose the text size by 10 dp, text size by 10 dp or 15 dp. Or 25 dp. Okay, it's visible now. But then I want the next text again. But I want this text should be in the left of the previous one. But since I have changed the direction, the orientation of this layout as the vertical, the question is, how can I make any of this widget, say this text, to be in the in the right, that's in the horizontal direction, even if the layout orientation is vertical. For that, what I will do is I will create after this, if I want these three texts in the vertical, what I will do, I will create a new linear layout. I'll keep its width as match parent. I'll keep its width as wrap content. Whatever, and I will change the orientation of this as horizontal, and I will put all these three in this new linear layout. I will select these three and I will keep them here, just exactly here where the tag is ending. Before we will close the linear layout tag, see, all the three are now in the horizontal direction because I kept them in a new layout. Say, I can say this is the container in the container or container within the container. Here I create, this was the parent, this blue which is highlighting, this is the parent container. It's the linear layout with the orientation as vertical, but in this container I created a new container, this linear layout, and I choose its orientation as the horizontal, and I can now and insert the values in it in the horizontal direction. If you want to change the color of this, you change the background by say any color code. So I'll choose a tomato color and I will simply paste it here. Okay, in the same way, if you want the color of only this text shouldn't be changed but the entire line, then what I will do, instead of writing this here, I will go in its container, that is the linear layout, and I will paste it. See, the background of the entire linear layout is changed. This is how we work with the linear layout. If you want the elements to be in the horizontal direction, you create them. If the parent layout is the vertical and you want your elements to be in the horizontal direction, what you will do, you will create a container, a new container, that is a new linear layout, and you will keep its direction as the horizontal. Or if the direction of your parent linear layout is here vertical but you want the elements to be in the horizontal direction, then what you will do, you will create again a new linear layout and you will choose the direction of that linear layout as per your own requirement. This is how you work with the linear layouts. This is it for this video. Hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the more amazing contents. Take care.